In today's video, we're going to go over the Elliott wave count that will make people rich. This will make people a lot of money if this Elliott wave count is the true count. We're going to analyze this pump to the upside here. We're going to go smaller time frames with it as well. We're also going to look at the overall picture. Guys, if you have been watching my videos, if you've been learning from my videos, like the video right now. Smash the like button for me. Show me some love. And before we get started, if you think within the next year, 365 days, Bitcoin is going to come back down to 25K and hit 25K in the next year, I have a full year mapped out right here with this vertical yellow line. In this time frame, are we going to come back down to 25K? Maybe come back up and then come back down. Maybe come back down right here. And is there any way we're hitting 25K? I need to know. I want to see what you guys think. I'm curious. I know what I think. But what do you guys think? Let's get rid of this and let's get into the charts, guys. Come on. All right. Going immediately into like the 3 hour, 4 hour time frame here on Bitcoin. We'll go 4 hour. If you've been watching my videos, you know where I stand with this structure. I've had this count all the way since we were back here in May, beginning of May, right? I had this count being an A, B, C, and this is Elliott wave theory, guys, so stick around, stay with me. So we have an A, B, C correction. In the middle, we have a flat correction, and then our finishing leg. I saw this move all the way back when we were down here. You can go back and watch my videos. Do it. I dare you. Had this nice move up. Milked it. Had this nice move down. Milked it. Called the flip right here. And here we are. 68K, 70K. We're at these levels now. I'm going to show you what I expect to happen from where we're at right now. And guys, FOMC, the federal funds rate, comes out in literally 20 minutes from me recording this video right now. So this is dangerous to be posting with the volatility that is probably going to occur. But I'll give you a couple different scenarios. First and foremost, what I expect to happen, right? Let's zoom in to this structure and stay with me, guys. This is important. I'm going to give you the goods here. I'm going to give you the goods. All right. In this structure, I'm ultimately looking for just 5 waves to finish our move to the upside here. 5 waves to finish this complete structure going all the way back to the lows at 17K. This entire structure, I'm looking to finish here with one more sweep of the highs. And I want 5 waves to finish that move here. It will only look good to me if this keeps impulsing up in a 5-wave fashion that comes out and takes the high out. Right? 76 to 78K to 80K, that's my target range. Now, where are we at in this wave structure? And honestly, where can we be longing? So, you know, if you're in the free Discord linked in the description below, and if you had the opportunity to check out the premium Discord, number one, this is the cleanest looking Discord you will ever see. Please take note of that. Look how smooth that looks. It's easy on the eyes, baby. But yeah, once you're in the free Discord, just head over to upgrade here. You'll get into premium. Right now I'm running a code $25 off your first month. If you guys want to give it a try, use code 25 off when you click the link to sign up. You get my Elliott wave course. You get a free indicator, specifically this indicator right here, the momentum oscillator. You will get this for free with my settings. You get my 24/7 live Elliott wave charts on all of these assets, and then most importantly, the daily alerts channel. I post alerts constantly. I try to make it as worth your money as I possibly can. So check out the premium Discord, guys. I don't know how long I'm running this $25 off, but I want people have been DMing me wanting to get in, so there it is. Now right here, This was the original move that I was looking at, but most recently we caught this last leg down, which was, let me zoom back in. Stick with me now. Stick with me now. All right. We caught this short from right here. We caught this short, taking out the low, right? Took out the low, and then we flipped long on this sucker. And I'm going to tell you why we flipped long. So we flipped long right here, and we are long. I am long right now. From this area, and I'm going to show you where I'm targeting. Show you where our upside targets are, and where you can possibly get in on this here. Again, FOMC is coming out. Volatility I expect it to occur. I want to see this be full reversal. And the reason why I want to see this be a full reversal is because by my count, I had this being a one wave. Again, we need a 5 waves impulsive wave finished. So 1 wave into a 2. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, possibly 5 done. Correction into our final leg, which is 1. Here's a flat for 2, 3, 4, 5, up to our 78K levels. So, you know, mapping this out, we need 5 waves here to finish up this leg. We have a flat correction here, 2, 3, 4, 5. If this count is correct, we are on the precipice of hitting the highs, hitting the all-time highs, and sweeping them out right now. This is our low that we put in for our 2 wave. We're about to hit this 3 wave up to 76K, 74K, correct a little bit, 1 more leg up, 78K, right? That's the count. Realistically, it'll look probably more like this, right? That is the count that I am looking for. Now, what makes me lean towards that being the count? I'll keep that on there, actually. So, if we zoom in, our 1 and our 2 wave. As you can see, this looks very corrective. Obviously, this is corrective. That's a zigzag, broke the high. And then we have an impulsive wave to the downside in 5 waves. That's just a simple flat correction, guys. It's a flat correction. Make this yellow. And targets have been hit. If you pull the fibs, it went right into the fib box, which is what we do target. Right into our fib box. And it looks beautiful. Some might say it looks too pretty right now. Some may say it looks too pretty to come right to the 1618 extension. But this is what you would see on a flat correction, right? So that would be our 2 wave finished. And now we would be looking for 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know, 3, 4, 5 up, something like that. But we are starting our impulse up. Right here, there's no denying, it does look slightly corrective. It does look slightly corrective. This could come down and take the lows out. I'm really not gonna like this if it does that, guys. I don't wanna keep hitting low. I wanna stay in this box. That's perfect situation. If it starts creeping lower, okay, we can consider a break lower, and then maybe a correction up, fill this volume, come back down. Or fill this liquidity zone, come back down, right? But we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Now, if you guys are looking to trade this move, if you're looking to trade this move and catch a move to the upside, you really want this trend line to hold here. This 1, 2 trend line, you want it to hold. I don't hate you if this is your trade. Before we get into the trade, guys, if you do want to trade, leverage trade, what I use right now is Blowfin. It's no KYC, no VPN. You just use an email to sign up, and I got you a link right now that's going to get you 15% back on your deposits. It's a free 15% gain on your account. Take advantage of that link. And then once you are deposited, you got your 15% with your initial deposits. With that link as well, you get entered into this promotion as well. So you can trade up to win a freaking Rolex watch, guys. It just goes on trading volume With leverage trading, obviously your volume goes up, no problem. I don't even know how much volume I have already traded. I'm not in on this promo, but I got it for you guys. So take advantage of it. Check them out. You just need an email to sign up. Go do it right now. The best no KYC exchange in the game. Blowfin, it's what everyone's using. Don't be dumb. Check them out. Now, back into the charts. Where are we looking to long this sucker? Well, if you're like me, you're already long. But, you know, if... I don't know if we're going to get a pullback here. Maybe we come down. Maybe. If you want to long this top, go for it. Low leverage, right under the trend line is your stop loss, and that's your move. That's it. You know, I've seen it before where we'll take out the trend line, barely. But as long as this level does not break, you know, if you're putting your stop loss that close to that level, you might as well take it right underneath the low here. So it would be 1 2 1 2, stop loss at around, you know, 65.4, then 345, right? So you can't have this second 1 2 get broken. This is the start of your one wave on a more minor scale, so you can't have this get broken. If this is the move, if we're putting in a 1 2 1 2, then we zoom to the upside. This is the move. So the risk reward on this obviously is quite nice. 6.91 risk reward ratio on this trade. Leverage appropriately, guys. Don't be stupid. Your account is how you make money. Do not blow your account unless you're a degenerate. Some of us are. We all been there. All right. So that is where I'm at, guys. That is where I'm at. You know, let's look at a more bearish count real quick before I let you go, just in case this move does not happen. But again, this is the move that I'm looking for. Now, if this decides not to occur, you can say, and it looks nice right now, that this is already a finished 5 waves. 3, 4, 5. And we finished right there. We finished this move right there. From this, you can go a lot of different places. Initially, I want to say that we have an ABC down. We have a flat correction with a 5-wave impulse. Flat correction took out the low here. So ultimately just A, B, C. Right? Let's get rid of that. And then is the WXY. So you're looking at another ABC down. Come take out the low right here. And then it's just a double correction, which is a WXY. Technical term for that. If this move occurs, this is going to be way too drawn out, way too dragged out in time for me to consider the spike to the high and then dump. It just is. What I would be looking at is this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, big time 5. That's what I'm looking at. If this move occurs, that's the move I'm looking for. Big time jam to the upside. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. But as of right now, guys, let me get rid of this and let me show you. Overall count. If the primary count that I showed you first originally, we take out the highs. We're in that wave. We're en route to take out the highs right now. And then we're dumping big time. Once we hit this, we're coming down. The overall count is an A, B, C flat correction, where we have a correction down, we have a correction up. We're looking for 5 waves down to finish our flat, and then we get the real bull run. You know what I'm saying? But to answer my original question to you at the start of this video, this would get us down to these 25K levels within the next year. So that's where I stand. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. Like the video if you watched it all the way through. Join the Discord. Sign up for Blowfin. Take advantage of that promo. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.